ingredients, we're gonna need Oreos, white chocolate melt, a frosting bag and tip. I'm using the number 5, small bags, candy eyeballs, and lollipop sticks. Once all of this is done, you're gonna go ahead and let your Oreos sit in the fridge for about 5 minutes and then bring it back out and dip your Oreos into that white chocolate, cover them fully. Now here comes the fun part. We're gonna be adding our eyeballs, and we're gonna be doing this while the chocolate is still wet. That way everything can dry together. After this step, we're gonna go ahead and fill our frosting bag with the remaining white chocolate, and we're just gonna go ahead and draw lines up, down, sideways, diagonal. There's really no right or wrong way to do this, just have fun. It comes out cute either way. So to add some final touches, I went ahead and added my Oreo Pops to a plastic bag. These are lollipop bags. And then I went ahead and sewed them with some Halloween ribbon. I believe, if I can remember correctly, I got this ribbon from Joann's. And you can pretty much find Halloween ribbon anywhere. Joann's, Michael's, Hobby Lobby. I'm pretty sure everything is on sale right now. Yeah, I just think this adds the cutest little touch. Also, I'm completely obsessed with my little towel I have to the left. It says "Party with my witches." I got this from Home Goods. It's so cute. It was one of those items I just couldn't pass up. I was literally holding on to it in the store. It was one of those things that I was debating on. Like, do I really need it? But I had to get it. It's too cute. Now moving on to our Halloween pumpkin pie. This one is my absolute favorite. I think it is so adorable and it tastes so good. So here I have my pumpkin puree, and that is from the brand Libby's. Next, I just went ahead and poured in some carnation. I believe that's what it's called. I'm probably saying that so wrong, but it is 2/3 of evaporated milk, and then I just added 2 eggs, and we're gonna go ahead and whisk that all together until it's fully blended. Now you're gonna go ahead and take your empty pie shell and pour that filling into it until it's completely full, or at least full to your liking. You want to make sure that your oven is preheated to 425 degrees, and then you're going to bake that in for 15 minutes. While that's baking, you're going to want to go ahead and start making your little ghost pie cutouts. I got this little cutout from Michael's. It was very inexpensive. I want to say maybe 99 cents, so it's not too bad. When you're doing this, you want to make sure that you are pushing firm. That way it can fully cut into the dough. Some of them will come out fully like that one did just there. and that's completely fine. The ones that stay, just go ahead and push them out. So once our pie is done baking for 15 minutes, you want to go ahead and add your ghost to your pie. Like, this is so cute. I'm obsessed with this pie. I'm honestly thinking about making this a yearly tradition. We'll see. So while you're doing this, you want to go ahead and bring your oven temperature down to 375 degrees. And you're going to place this in the oven for about 30 to 50 minutes until the pie is completely done. And voila! How adorable! This is my favorite. I can't stop saying that. I know. But I mean, come on, look at this. Like, look at the little ghost. It's so cute. It's not only cute, but it is delicious. And then once you're ready to eat it, you can go ahead and put some whipped cream or some vanilla ice cream when it's all nice and warm. So good, so yummy. But that is going to be it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up if you want to see a part 2, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!